Bring in CJ Muse, Senior Managing Director for Semiconductor Equity Research at Cantor Fitzgerald. It's got a buy rating on Nvidia, $350 price target. Takeaway from the trip to China?
Yeah, good morning. I haven't really heard full kind of disclosure around an agreement or not, but I'd say that my hope is that, we do open the door and really I think what's more important is less selling chips to China, but more getting China to build on a U.S. built platform and to get that CUDA software embedded in China and all of their friends. And I think that's most important, and that's what's most critical for Jensen.
What do you expect on earnings next week?
We're going to get the same kind of beat and raise, and the market for the last kind of year has been ho-hum to that. I do think there are two things, though, to focus on. Number one, I do think they will announce a share buyback. They alluded to it in March. And we've done some work on this where if you're over $100 billion and you announce a buyback greater than 5% of your outstanding shares, and I think they will do so, typically, on average, you've outperformed the S&P by 10 points in the next 12 months and 15 points in the next 24 months. So I think that will be important. And then the second one I think is really critical here is that compute is sold out. TSMC is one of the bottlenecks, and Nvidia has the most share at TSMC. And so while the market is worried about competition to Nvidia, I would highlight that they will outgrow everyone because of that relationship with TSM.
Yeah, I was just going to ask, what will make this quarter different than others when they beat and raise and the market's kind of lackluster about the response? The stock has really taken off lately, but it's been in periods of stock relative, especially to some of these other chip names like the memory stocks.
Yeah, no, you're 100% right. I mean, we've lagged for 9 months. We've just started to catch a bid. I would tell you long onlys are underweight to the benchmark. And so I think if you get a catalyst like a buyback to start getting shares moving higher, I think there will be investors chasing it. And I would highlight that, Nvidia right now is trading 15 times, what we think they'll earn next year, making it, the cheapest name in our coverage. And so we would wholeheartedly be buying it into earnings after earnings and throughout, 26 and 27.
One of the upgrades we got this week, read in part, many investors we speak with are pushing for a much larger dividend commitment, which we think the market would like because it will further broaden the shareholder base. We do have this discussion about people, running out of audience, so to speak. Would that enlarge it?
Dividend funds require a company paying a dividend, which Nvidia does. So honestly, I don't think a larger dividend would move the needle. Those investors are already able to buy Nvidia.